Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing the Boxycharm unboxing. I know it's been a while. This is May's box. This is what it's been. I don't know why they do that. This is what it is for this month. It is called Flourish. The first item I see is this one, which is My Daily Dose of Uplift, Smooth, and Lift. It's a cocktail of collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid. It says it's from Japan. It's by Skin Incorporated. Not that my camera will focus. And then this was the one that I chose this month, which is the Murad Environmental Shield City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. So excited about that. And then I also got the Trestique Brow Pencil and Brow Gel in the shade Mocha. And it says refillable, made from recycled plastic. That's my cat. If you guys hear background noise, that is my air conditioner. It is super hot. Oh. Okay, so that's kind of what it looks like. It's like a little pencil. I wonder how it's refillable though. Because it says sustainability, we are on a mission to reduce our waste and carbon footprint. So this is all made out of reusable plastic. So it says save the outer shell and replace the empty formula or tool with a new cartridge and recycle the old. And it says to go on their website to do that. So that's going to be interesting. Then I also got the Hydrating Hybrid 2-in-1 Lipstick Balm by Sophia and Mabel. I don't know if there's a color. Oh, it is colored. Sorry, hiccups, guys. But look at this packaging. Super cute. And that is the color. Not really a summer color, guys, but super cute anyway still. What is the shade name? Weekend Getaway is the shade name. That was my cat. And then the last item is probably one of my favorites. It is this palette right here by KAB Cosmetics. It's the Day and Night palette. Get it open. First of all, packaging is super cute. Ooh. And here are the colors. This reminds me of the, what is it? The Desert Dusk palette by, oh, who is it by? By Huda Beauty, I believe. That gives me very much those vibes. But that is my Boxycharm, you guys. Boxycharm is super affordable. It is like $27 and some change because it's $25 a month with tax though, so it's like $27.18 or something like that, I believe. But let's go ahead and show you everything that I got all together. So I got the palette, the the skincare, the Skin Incorporated serum cocktail, the refillable sustainable Trestique brow pencil, the Hydrating Hybrid lip balm, and the Murad night cleanser. So all this for that price, honestly, that's not that bad. The most expensive thing on here, that moisturizer is $74. And this stuff right here is $64. Right? No, $65. that right there is over $100, not including these 3 items. So I would definitely subscribe to Boxycharm, you guys. I am thinking about upgrading to like the Boxy Premium box. If you guys have that box, please let me know down in the comments. And that is May's Boxycharm, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and I will see you next time. Have a good day.